This is Tom Wibbeck with JustSellingHomes.ca. Welcome to this brand new listed condo. This condo has 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. One bedroom is quite big. This beautiful condo with a loft. It's located in a beautiful area. You're going to enjoy this area a lot. Has lots of trees. It's right by the park. This is actually end unit. Please join us at an open house on March 11th between 2 and 4 p.m. You will really enjoy this condo living. Thank you very much. Hi, I hope you enjoyed what you have seen. This beautiful condo is up for sale. Please do contact me, and if you have any questions, visit JustSellingHomes.ca. Thank you.